Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Alright, I'm back guys on behalf of Press One Cash. Just wanted to come back with that one once again. A great texting tool. Text message marketing is the way to go these days, guys, as far as marketing is concerned. So if you have not added text message marketing to your business, you're missing out. Okay, it's another way to promote any business you have. Doesn't matter what it is, it's the way to go because everybody carries one of these, right? Okay, you don't leave home without it. So why not add that to the way you promote primary business? Okay, text message marketing. Okay, right now one of the pages you're on, if you're looking at the screen here, this is a capture page I created in the Conversion Pros for text message marketing for Press One Cash, okay? Because it doesn't come with a capture page, okay? It comes with just a one-page website that promotes Press One Cash. So this is a great way to capture leads of people that's interested in your Press One Cash system, a replicated website that we all have. And let me take you over to that so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so this is definitely a great way to market your primary business, or if you don't have a primary business, you can just simply promote Press One Cash because you get paid $200, guys, every time someone purchases this Press One Cash system. Okay, hang on, it's going a little slow here. Hang on for me a second. Okay, this is, let me move this out the way. This is the replicated website that you will have, okay? Press One Cash. It explains everything. It will do all the selling and telling for you, okay? All you need to do is lead people to your capture page, let them opt in, and it takes them here. And the video on this page will do all the selling and telling for you, okay? Call this number right here to see how it actually works on the screen. Okay, and then you will get a demo of how it actually works. Okay, and it explains right here on this page for you. What do you get? You get your own SMS phone number, 100 credits. You get this website that I'm on and I'm showing you right now. You get a back office, training, and make $200 every time someone gets this system. It's a one-time $297. There's no monthly fees, okay? It is a one-up comp plan up, and then after that, guys, you're qualified to receive $200 over and over and over and over and over. Okay, it's pretty cool. And you're paid instantly. Okay, you don't have to wait on a check to come in the mail. There's no middleman. Okay, your prospects will pay the $97 admin. The ways you can get paid, it's up to you. Whether you want to get cash, have someone pay you at Walmart, you go pick it up at Walmart. Okay, receive payments through your Stripe. You can get paid through Cash App. Okay, however you want to you receive your money, that's up to you. Just put it in your profile and that will happen. Okay, now again, you give out your number. I call it just sharing a number. Share your phone number. You can place an ad, put your phone number on the ad, your Press One Cash number on your ad. People will call the number. There's a pre-recorded message on there already attached to your number, so you don't have to record anything. Once they press 1, which gives us permission to send them this message, so you are compliant, you don't have to worry about that. Once they press 1, it will text them back your link, whatever that link is, okay? And then if they like what they hear and they want this system, guess what? You'll get paid $200, okay? So it's an awesome system. This is the way to go far as marketing. You definitely want to add text message marketing in your arsenal for promoting whatever you have, okay? A perfect way to do that. Press One Cash, okay? I'm going to take you over to the back. All right, we are in the back page, the link. Whatever you want to promote, put that link right here, okay? Also, what Press One Cash is, that I like about Press One Cash is, everyone that dials your number, it actually records every number and put the phone numbers in your back office. Okay, so you can actually reach out to the people that have actually pressed 1. It will show the press 1 numbers, and it will also show the hang-ups. It'll show you the phone number. So you could actually text each one of those people that have pressed 1 and just find out, if they have any questions, reach out to them. Okay, that's an actual lead for you. Okay, so it records every phone number in here. And then also over here, guys, there has been a video ad, and I'm going to show you that if you want to add Stripe to your profile. If you want to just add a Stripe button there, so that when people decide to pay you, it will just automatically. Now, what I'm going to do is list in this video in the description an alternative, because I don't know if you're aware of it, but PayPal, I would stay away from PayPal, period. Okay, they've been shutting down home-based business accounts left and right. Okay, so stay away from PayPal. Now, there's been a discussion with some of the business opportunities I've been in, and we have a solution to that. Okay, and I'm going to put the link below so that you can get your card that's not going to be tied to any of these processors. Okay, because it's a matter of time. If you haven't been affected by PayPal or Stripe, eventually you will. Okay, it's just inevitable. It's already been recognized. So we have the solution for all home-based business opportunity folks out here to stay away from those and go ahead and get this Visa credit card. I'm going to put the link below. It's only $30, guys. There's no credit check. You don't have to worry about any of that crazy stuff. Okay, everybody's going to be approved. It's a one-time $24.95, and then it's going to be like $5.95 a month. But it's very well worth it. That way you don't have to deal with PayPal or Stripe. Okay, Stripe right now is treating me fine. Okay, and some other folks, Stripe is doing okay, but we know it's a matter of time before these things crumble. Okay, so I have a solution for you on that. So I'm gonna put the link below. But anyway, in the back office of Press 1, there's a video right here under training, so that you can go ahead and it shows you how to set up your Stripe account and link it to Press 1. Okay. And so this is a great tool. Okay, use this to promote whatever business you have. Okay, this is perfect for that. All right, a one-time $2.97, no monthly fees. The credits are very reasonable. Let me show you those credits and how reasonable they are. Hang on a second. Okay, here's the credits right here. As you can see, I have a 921 credits, because what I did is I've already purchased another set of 1,000 credits. Okay, it's only $10. See how cheap the credits are? It's one credit pretty much every time someone dials your number. Okay, so very reasonable to keep this going. That's why it's very easy to promote this, because all you got to do is share your number and attach the website that you want to promote to it. Okay, so I'm going to show you this training video too. Hang on a second. In the video, I want to show you in your back office also right here on the down line, it lists all the names of the people. I didn't want to display that, so I put this over it, but it will display all the names of the people that have actually registered. Okay, so right here it indicates, depending on what color, it's next to the person's name. If they've paid you already, they're confirmed. All you have to do is click them off as paid. When someone joins you, you do have to go in your back office and click them as paid. That way that gives them access to the system. But right here, it will show you whether they've paid the admin fee or not. Okay, so let me show you this place where you can get the video. Hang on. Okay, so when you click training right here, guys, the video will pop up. Okay, so you just watch this video and see how to link your Stripe account to Press 1 Cash. And that makes it automated, so when someone goes to click on pay your sponsor, they will just enter their credit card information in, and boom, you get paid instantly, and it'll go straight into your Stripe account. All right, so go there, log in, and go to training and get that video. Okay, what you need to get, guys, to promote your business, okay, using text message marketing. So here's my number right here, 678-932-0152. Go ahead and give it a call. Check it out. You'll get a demo of how the system actually works, and basically all you need to do is share your phone number, okay, and link the website to it that you want to promote. Whatever business you're promoting, just link it to Press 1 Cash, and that's how you're going to promote your business. So basically, you get a platform, and then you also promote your business, okay? All right, so what I'm going to show you now, though, real quick, I got to sign up. Another sign up yesterday with it, so people are very interested in this system, okay, to promote your business. So let me just show you some proof here, some results. Hang on a second. Okay, so as you can see right here on the 7th, there was a payment that came in for cash. Okay, so this definitely does work, and we get paid. So some more results for you guys to check out. Okay, so what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to put the link below for Press 1 Cash. Go ahead and join this one with me. And also, I'm going to put the link below so you can get your debit card. Okay, so you don't have to worry about PayPal or Stripe ever shutting you down again. Okay, so I'm going to put that link below as well. And if you have any questions, give me a call. But you definitely want to get that card. Okay, so go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos, okay? And like the video as well, guys. So check this out, Press 1 Cash, okay? Go ahead and check out, do the demo. Let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to seeing you on the inside, guys. You guys have a blessed day.